I'm going to prank this school by pulling the fire alarm. This will be so funny. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. How do you like that, suckers?
Wait a minute. What is going on?
I don't know. I think the fire alarm is tripped.
Then why are we still standing here? Come on. Let's go outside.
Come on. Hurry up. We gotta go outside quick.
Come on, you guys. Hurry up.
Ha 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 ha. Nobody can stop me now.
Hold it right there, Buster. Where do you think you're going?
Chandler, we saw what you did. How dare you prank the school by pulling the fire alarm? You are not getting away with this. You are in big trouble, little man.
Yeah, we only use the alarm for fire drills and in case of a real fire. That alarm was meant to take it seriously for this school. That is not something to play with, at all.
You deal with it, little brat. I'm going to warn the others that it's a false alarm.
Come with us to the main office now, Chandler. You are in for a bad treat now. You little jerk.
Wait, Moana. What took you so long?
I came here to tell you guys that was just a false alarm. Chandler McCann caused all of this.
God damn it, Chandler. When is his nonsense going to stop for once?
That red-haired freak is a total asshole. I can't believe he caused all of this. He nearly gave us a damn heart attack.
First, he insulted Luz Noceda at McDonald's. Second, nearly killed us at GameStop, trying to beat up Lincoln and Peter Pan, trying to ruin my sleepover, and now this.
Like seriously, I really cannot take his nonsense much longer. That little jerk has done way too much.
Doesn't he know that fire alarms was meant to take it seriously? He is a one sick little bastard. He has not learned no lesson from many of us. What a total jackass.
I feel all of your pain, but don't worry. He is in the principal's office right now, because me, Wendy, and Zoey caught his actions in the hallway. Anyways, everything is okay in the school. Like I said, it was just a false alarm. Sorry that this happened to you guys. Y'all may come inside now.
Okay, Miss Clementine, and Principal Ramirez, we caught him.
Thank you, Zoey and Wendy. You guys may go now.
That little jerk never learned his own lesson.
I agree with you, Wendy.
Chandler, take a seat right now. Now, do you know why those two girls sent you here?
Yes, and I'm very sorry. It was only just a prank.
A prank? Just a stupid prank? That is the most ridiculous thing I have ever heard in my life. How dare you pulled the fire alarm just for a stupid prank? That was just so stupid.
Don't you realize that fire alarms are meant to take it really seriously? That is not something to play around with. They are really important for this school.
Fire alarms are only used for in case of a real fire, and practicing fire drills, not for stupid and dumb pranks. And you are very lucky that the fire department didn't come here. Because even if they did, they would have sent you to the police department, and put you in jail for the next few days because of your disgraceful actions.
Now, since your troublemaking has not stopped for once, you will have a lot of consequences to pay. You will be signed up for after-school detentions from 2 o'clock to 6 o'clock p.m.
Not only that, you will also be signed up for Saturday and Sunday academies for troublemakers, counseling every lunch period, plus, you will indefinitely go to summer school. Every single summer, and finally, you will be signed up for full-time jobs at a summer youth program.
This serves you right for being a disgraceful little troublemaker. You are going to learn a lot about life, and stop picking on well-behaved students, especially Lincoln Loud.
Don't even bother waiting for your parents. The school safety guard, Jill Valentine from Resident Evil, will escort you home, so you won't do anything that is stupidly ridiculous. Oh, I can see her coming this way now.
Hello, Principal Ramirez and Miss Clementine. I heard everything. I will take this spoiled brat home to his parents now.
Thank you, Jill. Make sure he doesn't do anything stupid. If he does, use a tranquilizer dart on him to put him to sleep.
Don't worry, guys. I will keep a sharp eye on him.
Good. And Chandler, we are going to call your parents right after you leave. Get out of this school right now.
Hello, is this the McCann parents? Good. I'm calling because of Chandler. He pulled the fire alarm by so-called pranking the whole school. He is now being escorted to you guys now.
Thanks for the ride.
Don't you even dare try to play nice with me. You are not welcome. Have fun getting grounded by your parents. You stupid red-headed jerk.
Wah 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 wah.